time back in the shed once again. Today, because of the weather and all we've got with the sun and all that, what is the sun in Wales? But actually, it's been nice the last few days. It's a little bit windy today, but it's comfortable. It's supposed to be one of the hottest days of the year, but don't think it will be for where I live in Anglesey. We have got, let's have a look if I can get this in there, a Pifco Flexi Grip Fan. Not sure if you can see that there. Pifco. You can get these from Home Bargains. The price, I'll let you know in a bit. It's got a rechargeable battery, 3 speed settings, fully adjustable. Get a bit more of a view there. And bendable legs. And let's have a look what it says on the back. It says you can, it's the same thing, rechargeable and portable. Keep your living and workspace cool with a Pifco fan range. 3 speed settings, not bad. Fully adjustable, bendy legs. It's alright when you've got like a fan going and it's connected to a plug or a USB socket and you think I can only put it there. But if you've got one that's got a battery in it and you want it for a couple of hours and you want to stick it where you want to wrap it around something or a door handle, whatever, let's have a look at this. So, waste no time. We will open it. One good thing about Home Bargains is you can get quite a few things. Sometimes it's overlooked when it comes to tech. You get your own USB-A to USB-C. Don't know if you can see that. Let's have a look. Cable. It's probably about a meter long. This will be for charging it, I would imagine. Let's have a look. Yeah, maybe half a meter long. Long enough to get to put in whatever you want to put it. Right, let's have a look. How'd you get it out? Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Here we have the fan, and we've got some instructions. Now, shall I read these, or shall I not, just to make these read the instructions people angry? Okay, there isn't much, so I will read it. Instruction manual. See that? For those who've bought one and lost it, it's got the fan speed, on and off, charging point, battery compartment, metal hanger, Type-C charger cable. I think this is an 18650 battery. I don't think you can take it out, to be fair. It's only got, that's it. Charging your device. Place the input of the USB into the Type-C port in the laptop. For similar devices, place the opposing end of the charging cable in the USB port found in the fan. Red LED light will indicate that the product is charging. Red light will turn off once fully charged. So if it's got red light, it's charging. If it hasn't, it's ready to go. Operating instructions. Remove the battery insulation tab before first use. Ensure the battery is fully charged before first use. The fan has 3 settings, low, medium and high. To turn it on, you press the on-off button. To turn it off, turn off the fan, press the off button. The fan setting will be on low. To press the speed button, change it to medium. Press the speed button again to change it to high. That's all there is. So, let's have a look. Let's get it out of the bag. I mean, it's hot in the shed today, to be fair, so I might leave it on. Well, these are quite rigid, quite stiff. You can use this as a tripod if you wanted to. It's a bit like one of these War of the Worlds kind of thing, isn't it? Oh, come on. There you are. If you wanted it on a tripod, it's got a directional, you can see that, a directional thing. It's not brilliant as a tripod, I guess, but it stays where it is. Bit bendy. So does this move? So you can actually twist it in a way. It's actually undoing when you twist it, but you can have it whatever you like. These bendy things as a tripod are not the best, but once it's on, I guess. Right. Seeing that? Yeah. Can you see that? Don't know if you can see that. So on the back we have, I need to get a new bracket. This is a bit, it's an old, it's one I've made up myself. There's the USB port, and on the top you've got the on button and the fan speed settings. You can hold it like that if you want. You think, oh, that's nice. Or you can bend it around something. What can I bend it around? You could bend it around. Let's have a look. Yeah, you could bend it around that. Look, can you see that? Oh, kind of. Oh, there you are. Oh no, my skeleton's lost a leg. Oh, I'm gutted. He lost a leg. Oh, bless him. So, anyway, if you get the idea, kind of thing. Yeah, these legs, arms, whatever they are, they're quite stiff. It's just not the best kind of thing. You can, I think, pull it off. You can unwind that. Yes, you can. So it's got an adapter, the same you get on a tripod. So if you've got a little tripod in the house, it'll go on that. It's also got a hanging loop. You can see that. Can you see that? So if you want to hook it onto something, you can do that also. So let's put it back on for now. So anyway, that's it. Shall we turn it on? So this keeps on slipping. Turn it on for the first go. So on. It's not bad. Can you hear that? It's not that bad, to be fair. That's the first speed. Second speed. Is that the max? Yeah, there's the max. Second, medium, fast. There's a bit of a hum, obviously, when you're on maximum speed. What's happened to me? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, that's it spinning. Pifco. Now you say, how much? Let me turn this onto a bit. I'm going to leave that over there, actually. It's quite nice. How much was this amazing fan, you may ask? Well, if you go into Home Bargains, you can pick this fan up for $7.99. The brilliant thing about it is you don't need to look for batteries. You don't need to source somewhere to plug it in. It's got its own independent power source. So, yeah, I suppose it's a little bit noisy. That might get on your nerves. But yeah, $7.99 in Home Bargains. I think that's quite a steal. So run off to your local Home Bargains and get one for yourself, because you're going to need it in the next couple of days. Anyway, if you like this video, like the video. If you haven't subscribed, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. It helps the algorithm, and it just tells the algorithm that people are interacting with my channel, etc. Turn that down a bit. Oh, turned it up. That's quite nice. Is there anything you want me to look at? Give me enough ideas. I'm running out of ideas, to be fair, what to get. I've got some things from Team I need to look at. I'll show you them in the next couple of days. But for now, the Pifco 3-speed fan, mobile for everywhere. Oh, that's alright, actually. Until the next time, take care. Bye-bye.
Tap the box, peel the seal. What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unbox a little bit of everything within a Mars. Snap the clip, tear the tape. Every package a new escape. Tools and toys, big and small. Vinnie Mars unboxes it all with Vinnie Mars. and see what surprises wait for me. Gadgets, gizmos, every find and unboxing journey, one of a kind, with Vinnie Mars. From Tamu to Ali, treasures unpack, all defines with clever knack. Argo's dream